What do we mean when we talk about someone's constitution? So what we're talking about is who somebody really is in terms of their personality, who they are at their core. Now, when we're prescribing, one of the ways we can prescribe is to give a remedy that speaks to a person's constitution. And what that means is if somebody's personality and all the symptoms that they experience in their body was represented by a remedy, what would that remedy be? It's a way of then, when we give that remedy to somebody, of saying, this is who you are when you're in balance, because of course we can go out of balance as human beings. That's part of the journey of being a human. And it's a way of calling someone back and saying, this is who you are. It used to be thought that we were made up of just one constitutional type, and I still meet people all the time who have clearly one remedy picture that really describes who they are. Now, we've been evolving, we live much more complex lives. Maybe those are the reasons that for some of us, we aren't just made up of one constitutional type anymore. Some of us have other remedies also that make up the layers of us. And I've developed a model that I teach at the school called the constitutional flower. And it asks the question, if there was a remedy from the animal kingdom that described who this person is, what would that remedy be? If there was a remedy from the plant kingdom, what would that remedy be? If there was a remedy from the mineral kingdom, what would that remedy be? And also, if there was a remedy that spoke to the more energy aspects of life, maybe a colour remedy or maybe some other form of energy type of remedy, what would that also be? Now, I also talk about how we have another constitutional layer to us. We're not just the personality, we also have a soul. And I talk about how constitutionally, in terms of how we're made up at a soul level, we're all made up of sacred geometry. So when I teach about the constitutional flower, I teach about how we can find the remedies that make up who we are from the different kingdoms. But I also then talk about how actually we have this constitutional makeup, this expression of who we are at soul level that is expressed through the incredible shapes that we see in all of the universe and in all of life, that contain the mathematics of all of the universe and all of life. So I believe we've got two layers of constitution, the personality and the soul.